Hello friends and welcome back. So quickly let's solve this fractional equation on the board. Solution. Okay, so first thing is to place this x very well by observing that 5 over 8 multiplied by x over 1 becomes 5x over 8. So with that we have 5x over 8 minus, this is going to be 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 over 4 will be equal to, same thing applies here, we have 2x over 5. Now it's time to look for the LCM of 8, 4 and 5, and then we multiply through. Yeah, so the LCM is 40, so we are going to say 5x over 8 multiplied by, of course, 40 over 1 minus 9 over 4 multiplied by 40 over 1 equal to 2x over 5 multiplied by 40 over 1. So right now 8 divided by 40 will go 5 times. 4 divided by 40, this will go 10 times, and 5 goes in 40 is 8. So right now let's multiply the numerators, and this gives us 25x, right, minus 90 equal to 16x. Okay, now at the denominator we don't have anything again, so we now have a straight line equation. So the next thing is to collect the like terms. So we have 25x minus 16x equal to 90. Alright, okay, so over here we're going to have 25x minus 16x, right, to be equal to 90, and this gives us x and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is 9, right, and 9x equal to 90. So now we divide both sides by 9, and then we have 9x equal to 90 divided by 9. Therefore our x is equal to 10. So 10 is the answer. Thanks for watching, and please do like, share and comment on this video. Thanks, and do stay around for more videos to come. Bye bye.